Hey guys, it's Tuesday and today is the day and it's 7 a.m. in the morning. So maaga kami nagising kasi nga kailangan namin mag-prepare and kailangan din namin mag-check-in ng maaga. So before anything else guys, kailangan muna nating ayusin yung hinigaan natin. So sobrang nakaka-excite lang kasi nga this is our first time na i-celebrate yung anniversary namin in this way. So sobrang nakaka-excite din. So yan guys, samahan nyo muna ako mag-prepare. So dyan lang muna kayo guys. So, yan guys, nandito na kami sa Marjo Crisel and hinihintay lang namin na maayos yung room namin. So far, okay naman. And as what you have noticed, wala pang masyadong tao. And yeah, nag-picture taking na muna kami kasi nga sobrang nakaka-bored din maghintay. So, sinulit muna namin guys yung picture taking. So, anyway guys, after couple of minutes is binigay na sa amin yung susi. So, samahan niyo ako guys and itutour ko kayo sa room namin. So, we have here room 29 and yung room namin is deluxe room and meron siyang aircon and then TV of course and bed for couple. So, as what you have noticed guys, pagpasok nyo pa lang is bubungad na agad yung bed nyo and after that, meron siyang cabinet. So, sobrang ganda lang kasi meron siyang cabinet na good for 2 packs na. And then, we have here also the TV. Kaso nga lang guys, hindi siya gumagana or hindi lang talaga namin alam kung paano siya i-open. So, anyway guys, that's fine. And ito nga pala yung bathroom nila and so far, okay naman and sobrang linis. So, actually guys, for the price of 1,299, masusulit mo na talaga yung room. And actually guys, after nyong mag-check-in is ibabalik naman yung 500 pesos. So, in total, you just have to pay 1,000 for a night. So, yan, sobrang sulit na din. So, before anything else guys, lumabas muna kami ng partner ko kasi nga, bibili muna kami ng food para at least mamaya is hindi na kami pabalik-balik kasi medyo malayo siya sa proper. So, we decided na bumili na lang muna ng food. So, anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo and pupunta lang din muna kami sa proper para bumili ng mga pagkain namin for the holiday na. So, stay tuned guys! So, yan guys, nandito na kami sa room and actually pagkatapos namin bumili ng pagkain is diretso na din kami kumain kasi sobrang nakagutom na talaga guys and sobrang init din sa labas. So, yan, chill lang muna kayo guys and kakain lang din muna kami. So, anyway guys, after namin kumain is nag-shoot na din kami ng exchange gift challenge with my partner. And ito yung mga gift na natanggap namin sa isa't isa. And sobrang sobrang happy ko, and yun, sobrang na-appreciate ko talaga yung effort namin dalawa, and yun, parehas kaming masaya. So, actually guys, there will be a part 2 of this video, and sana panoorin nyo, and nakaseparate na din guys yung video ng exchange gift with my partner, so sana panoorin nyo din. So, anyway guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys!